Hi, and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. I did a little poll a little while ago asking which food product you'd be interested in learning about. Well, guess which one won? Pillsbury won. So today we're going to be learning about Pillsbury as well as making a food that involves Pillsbury product. I'm making a recipe called bacon crack. Doesn't that sound good? And I'll be using these Pillsbury Crescent rolls, sweet Hawaiian. Pillsbury began in 1869, founded by Charles Pillsbury in Minneapolis, who was working at his uncle's flour mill. He decided to collaborate with his uncle and his father in 1872. He came up with the process of making flour not using ground stones, grinding it, but instead using steel rods. I'm gonna roll out this crescent roll dough onto some parchment paper. Prick it all with a fork. I'm drizzling on some maple syrup and spreading it out all over. I'm going to sprinkle on 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. I'm sure you've heard of the Pillsbury Bake-Off. That began in 1949, and it was quite a huge thing. The very first awards given, what happened at the Waldorf Astoria Hotel, and guess who presented the awards? Eleanor Roosevelt. That's big. I've made some bacon strips in my air fryer that I'll be putting on top. I'm breaking some bacon pieces on top. Have you ever heard of the Pillsbury Doughboy? Oh my goodness gracious, look at you! Aren't you adorable? Well, his name isn't the Pillsbury Doughboy, he has a name. His name's Poppin' Fresh. Drizzle on a little bit more maple syrup. Now I'm going to bake it in the oven at 375 for 22 to 25 minutes. He's been around since 1965 and has starred in more than 600 commercials. Whoa, would you look at that? I'm just going to let it cool down for a little while. I just love Pillsbury so much. Woohoo! Now you just cut it up into slices. Time to taste. So sweet and meaty. This crack really is whack and delicious. I love it. This is a great treat, and you would enjoy it as well. Thank you, Pillsbury, for helping make such a delicious thing. Yum! I really look up to you, Pillsbury Doughboy. I guess you can say he's my role model.